Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss the long questions of 10th class poem All Things Bright and Beautiful, written by C.F. Alexander, and the questions and answers are published by BSc Board Odisha, named Parikha Darpan. Could you understand? So now let's discuss the first question. The first question is like this: why does the poet praise God in this poem? Could you understand? Why does the poet praise means प्रशंसा करिया प्रशस्ति गान करिया God in this poem? Answer is the poet praises God. भगवान को प्रार्थना करती, कवि भगवान को प्रार्थना करती. Poet praises God. Who praises God? The poet praises God in this world, a samsara, because he has made all things bright and beautiful. Could you understand it? The poet praises God in this world because God has made all things bright and beautiful. So he means here God. So he is H should be capital letter. Could you understand? He has made all things bright and beautiful. He has created. You know, created means सृष्टि करचंदी. He has created means सृष्टि करचंदी. The big and small creatures, छोटो छोटो प्राणी, creatures meaning you know प्राणी, colorful flowers, रंग बेरंग पुष्प, and tiny wings, क्षुद्र क्षुद्र डेना युक्त पक्षी. Could you understand? Who has created? God has created. He has created the big and small creatures, colorful flowers, and tiny wings of birds. He has also created the purple-headed mountains and the sunrise and the sunset. You know mountains, Parvatamala, sunrise, Surya Udaya, the sunset, sunset. This is it. Mountains, Parvatamala, sunrise, Suryodaya, and the sunset. So he has also created the purple-headed mountains and the sunrise and the sunset. The cold wind that blows, bahuchi, blows means bahuchi. During the winter is God's wonderful Ascharyajanaka, wonderful creation, Sushti. God who has created, ଯିଏ କି ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରିଛନ୍ତି, God who has created all these things in a very thoughtful way, विचार सुंदर भाव विचार करी, is really great. वास्तव, really means वास्तव, great. Could you understand? Next question is, again let's read again. So the poet praises God in this world because he has made all things bright and beautiful. He has created the big and small creatures, colorful flowers and tiny wings of birds. He has also created the purple-headed mountains and the sunrise and the sunset. The cold wind that blows during the winter is God's wonderful creation. God, who has created all things in a very thoughtful way, is really great. Next question is, why is the summer sun pleasant? Pleasant, you know, Sukhadayak. Summer sun is always hot in our country. ଆମ ଦେଶରେ ବହୁତ ଉତ୍ତପ୍ତ ଗରମ କଷ୍ଟଦାୟକ. But in cold countries, the summer sun is pleasant. Summer comes after winter. In cold country, summer comes after winter. Could you understand? And it gives a great relief, ଆଶ୍ୱସ୍ତି ଦିଅନ୍ତି to the winter heat people. ଶୀତ ପ୍ରଭାବିତ ବା winter struck people, ଶୀତ ପ୍ରଭାବିତ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଶ୍ୱସ୍ତି ଦିଅନ୍ତି. The summer sun is warm and comfortable. ଉଷ୍ମ ଏବଂ ଆରାମଦାୟକ. Comfortable means ଆରାମଦାୟକ. Warm means ଉଷ୍ମ. In Ireland is a country and provides ଯୋଗାଏ a good time to enjoy. ଆନନ୍ଦ ଉପଭୋଗ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ସମୟ ଯୋଗାଏ. The poet belongs to this country. ଏଇ କବି ଏଇ ଦେଶର ଲୋକ. In his view, ତାଙ୍କ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିରୁ the summer sun is really enjoyable and pleasant. Could you understand? ବାସ୍ତବରେ ଉପଭୋଗ୍ୟ, enjoyable means ଉପଭୋଗ୍ୟ and pleasant ସୁଖଦାୟକ. Next question, why has God given us eyes and lips? God has given us eyes and lips. Why? The answer is, God has given us eyes to see all things bright and beautiful. He has given us lips to say how great the Almighty is. In this poem, the poet says that he has given us eyes and lips to admire his greatness, to admire his creation, to admire his glory. Could you understand? Next one is, that is question number 4. What do we enjoy around us? ଆମେ ଆମର ଚତୁଃପାର୍ଶ୍ୱରେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ଆନନ୍ଦ ଉପଭୋଗ କରୁଛେ ବା ଉପଭୋଗ କରୁଛେ? So we enjoy many things around us. ଆମ ଚତୁଃପାର୍ଶ୍ୱରେ ଅନେକ ଜିନିଷ ଆମେ ଭୋଗ କରୁଛେ, such as a beautiful sunrise, sunrise and sunset, trees, flowers, and flowers, rivers and mountains, birds and animals. We smell, ଆଘ୍ରାଣ କରୁ, ଶୁଙ୍ଗୁ, the fragrance, ସୁବାସ of flowers, ଫୁଲର ସୁବାସ ଆମେ ଆଘ୍ରାଣ କରୁ, and feel the change of seasons, ଆଉ ଋତୁ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନଟାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁ. We enjoy the sweet twittering of birds, ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ପକ୍ଷୀମାନଙ୍କର କଳରବ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଗାନ ଆମେ ଶୁଣୁ. Glowing colors, ଚକଚକିଆ ରଙ୍ଗ ବେରଙ୍ଗ of the flowers, ଫୁଲମାନଙ୍କର ରଙ୍ଗ ବେରଙ୍ଗ. Beautiful sights of the forests, ଜଙ୍ଗଲର ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟ ସ୍ଥାନ, and mountains, ପର୍ବତ around us, ଆମ ଚତୁଃପାର୍ଶ୍ୱରେ ଥିବା. So these are the natural things we enjoy around us. Could you understand or not? Next one is question number 5, that is, why does mountain top look purple? Why? During the sunset, sunset means ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟାସ୍ତ, the sun casts red light. ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟାସ୍ତ ସମୟରେ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ ରକ୍ତିମ ଆଭା ପ୍ରକାଶ କରନ୍ତି. The mountain tops are generally blue as they are covered, ଯେମିତି covered ହେଇଯାଆନ୍ତି with trees. ଗଛରେ ଆଚ୍ଛାଦିତ ହୋଇ ସେମାନେ ବ୍ଲୁ ଦେଖାଯାଆନ୍ତି. The rays of the setting sun, ray means ରଶ୍ମି, of the setting sun, ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟାସ୍ତ, fall on the mountain tops and turns them purple, ତାକୁ purple କରିଦିଏ, ବାଇଗଣୀ ରଶ୍ମି, ବାଇଗଣୀ color, purple headed mountain. Next question is 6, that is, what does the poet say? What does the poet say about the morning? The sunrise in the morning and the bright rays of the sun fall on the earth, पृथ्वी ऊपर पड़े. The earth and the sky look bright. According to the poet, the morning brightens up the sky after the sunrise. Next one is the question that is 7. What does the poet say about the 2 seasons? One winter and another summer. The poet C.F. Alexander has mentioned, उल्लेख କରିଛନ୍ତି, उल्लेख mentioned means उल्लेख କରିଛନ୍ତି. Who has mentioned? The poet C.F. Alexander has mentioned 2 seasons in the poem. They are in the poem, full stop. What did I say? Full stop, and this should be capital letter. Could you understand? What did I say? Should be capital letter. Okay. They are winter and summer. In winter, cold wind blows. In summer, the sun is pleasant. The poet says, so as he, not she, as he. as he belongs to island which is a cold country. In cold countries, moderate मध्यम धरणर मध्यम धरणर टेम्परेचर तापमात्रा प्रिवेल्स प्रचलित थाए जारी रही थाए इवन इन समर इमिति कि ग्रीष्म ऋतु मध्य. नेक्स्ट वन इज 8 दैट इज हाउ वुड यू एस्टिमेट गॉड. गॉड को तुम केमिति भाव मूल्यांकन माने मूल्य धार्य करिवो केमिति मूल्यांकन केमिति करिवो. इन द पोएम ऑल थिंग्स ब्राइट एंड ब्यूटीफुल सी.एफ. अलेक्जेंडर पेजेस दी प्रशस्ति गान कर प्रशंसा गान कर आप प्रेजेस दी ग्रेटनेस ऑफ गॉड भगवान महिमा प्रशस्त गान कर महिमा प्रशंसा कर. अकॉर्डिंग मीन्स यू नो अनुसार दि पोएट गॉड हैज क्रिएटेड ऑल थिंग्स एंड ऑल क्रिएचर्स समस्त जिनिस समस्त प्राणी सृष्टि कर वाइजली अति चतुर भाव बहुत भावी चिंतिक सृष्टि कर. एंड वंडरफुल आश्चर्यजन भाव यार तो भाव माने वाइजली एंड आल्सो वंडरफुली. गॉड हैज वेरी नाइसली ब्लेस्ड आज विथ ब्यूटीफुल एंड अट्रैक्टिव ब्यूटी सुंदर एक आकर्षणीय साइट्स दृश्य स्वीट एंड म्यूजिकल साउंड्स संगीत मूर्छना म्यूजिकल साउंड्स स्वीट स्मेल सुबास एंड एंजॉयबल फीलिंग उपभोग्य अनुभव गुड़ाक आमको जोगे देइछन्ति. Who has provided us? God has provided all these things. So the poet says, God is great. एनुकरी भगवान कहते गॉड होचन महान. His creation is great. ताकर सृष्टि मध्य महान. He is always good. से सदा मंगलमय. God is always good. He has created everything wise and well for us. आम भाई सब गुड़ाक भल सृष्टि कर देइछन्ति मंगल सृष्टि कर देइछन्ति. With this, that is the end of today's question answer discussion session. We shall do the other question and answers of the other 10th class lessons in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.